Alright, let's make a Shark Attack vodka cocktail. Starter off, 2 ounces of vodka. Pour that in a shaker filled with ice. Juice half a lemon, or about 1 ounce. Put that in there too. Half ounce simple syrup, 1/4 ounce of grenadine. Don't be a snob, roses works just fine. Put the top on, give it a good shake. Shake, 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 shake. Shake, shake. There we go. Oh, look at that arm. Strain over ice in a tall glass. Now top her off with club soda. Give a good stir. Garnish with some lemon or lemon peel. Serve it up. And kind of looks like blood in the water, so Shark Attack it is. Enjoy.